Hey everyone, this is my week 4 sketchbook tour for the measuring assignment. First I did the cube, which was pretty easy. It wasn't too bad or anything. I took some A from the video, but I think it looks pretty good. Although the paper it's showing some of the lines though. It didn't look like I did it straight, but a lot of times I just kept erasing and I struggled, trying to make the line straight. So if anything, I apologize for that. You might see more of that, because I made lots of mistakes. It's not perfect, but I did the best I could. Anyways, second is the vase. I'm actually surprised. It actually turned out very good than I thought. At least the lines were not as crooked as they were when I first did this one. But the landmarks look pretty alright. Especially when I did a line that was down there, like at like a curve. Yeah, the vase actually looks pretty cool. And then we have the teapot. The teapot, really didn't turn out as much as I thought, but like I said, I did the best I could. It really should have been a little bit bigger though, with the top, and the handle should have been a little bit bigger as well, but it looks a little bit pretty good. I pretty much should just drew it bigger. And then this one, the cone and the spear, or the circle, either which way. Now this one I actually made bigger, and it turns out pretty good. But the lines should have been a little bit more straighter instead of looking a little cripply. Well, at least I tried. And I just started with like a square, and it should have been a lot straighter, but you know. And then I did the cone, the circle, the cube, and the cylinder. This one I struggle with the most. It didn't even turn out as good as I thought. Well, these don't even look good, but this one, it kind of does. Maybe the circle looks good. It should have been much straighter, again with the lines, but I can say for this so-so, the lines should have been much straighter, and it really didn't turn out as much as I thought, but I tried. This one I did. This was the third one I actually did though, because I accidentally skipped a page, so I did it here before I did the one with the cylinder and such. But this one actually turned out pretty good. I had some aid from one of the old sketchbook tours that's showing the discussion. Not in the discussion, but like on canvas. But it actually looks pretty much better, because I also use reference. It had like, I felt like this was bigger, so I added it right here. My original plan was like to draw this at the top and put the one with the cylinder, cone, circle, and the cube at the bottom. But I really didn't have much room for that. I didn't even know how to arrange, so I just left it here. But yeah, that's what I did. Anyways, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this week 4 sketchbook tour.